I mean, 2 weeks of hard work and you finally walking away with a championship trophy. Talk a bit. How does that feel for you?
It feels great. I've been working really hard from the first beginning, and it gives results. So I'm very happy. The first week didn't go so well, and after that I really worked really hard, and and now I get the trophy. So I'm so happy.
Okay, talk a bit about the match today. How complex was it?
Yeah, it was really tough, and here in the sun, it's tough for a guy from Sweden. So.
Well, you seemingly, I noticed a change in strategy. You were going for a bit too much in the earlier parts of the match, and then you decided to just take things down a bit and just work on keeping the ball in between the lines.
Yeah, I did. I wanted to change something because I was down set and break actually. So I wanted to change my tactics, and that did go well. So I'm very happy with my mental side also today.
No, you're leaving.
Actually, I'm leaving today,
You're leaving
unfortunately.
Us. Okay,
yes.
So you leave here with about 15, 17 points?
Yeah, 15 points. Yeah. So it's a great week.
Okay, what next for you? Where are you heading?
Next week I'm going to practice in Miami, and then I'm going to a Challenger, Tyler 75. So I'm looking forward to that, and I'm going there with a lot of confidence.
Okay, Corey got all the way to the championship match, but just couldn't get over the line. Your thoughts about playing, Leo Borg?
Yeah, I mean, it was a great final. Leo's an unbelievable player. He's won a lot of tournaments, I'm pretty sure, and he's ranked really high. I wish I could have won, but it was a great match. So I'm glad it was a good battle.
You were trying to be steady, and he got ruffled by that because he wanted to hit winners, and you weren't allowing him to.
Yeah.
But then you kind of lost your patience later down in the match, which was very uncharacteristic of you.
Yep. So I was up 6-3. I think it was 4-0, and I had a break point. If I won that point, I would have kept playing the same. But then he won in a roll. He won a couple games in a row. He was leading in the third set, so I knew I had to switch things up because I couldn't rely on him simply missing.
Right.
And I know I have the shots to hit winners. It's just usually my strategy is just fight and stay in the point. But I tried to throw in some variety there, but didn't work out.